welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Family, you gonna help me. You are. I am picking you. I am. And you're going to help me with, we've been talking about, let's go back. We've been talking about, I've been talking about. I know, and y'all been listening. It's okay. But I have been talking about cherry note fragrances, right? I was looking at my wish list, okay? And there are some cherry fragrances that are still stuck on my wish list, like cherry notes. Like cherry is in the note of these fragrances, and they're on my wish list, and they're stuck. They haven't moved to the purchase list, right? So, or to my doorstep. So we are going to this little chit chat, it's a little relaxed video, okay? Calm down. There'll be other videos to come, but y'all gonna help me, all right? Pick what cherry fragrance should I get out of what's on my wish list. We're gonna walk through it. We're gonna talk through it. I want to know your thoughts below, okay? Have you smelled these? Is it worth me even dipping into? Or are you like, no. You like, please stop. Is that what you're saying? Like, please tell me below. Let me know. Either way, like, should I or should I not? Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first on my list, anyone that knows me knows I love a good cherry. I love a good vanilla, right? Those two things combined, yeah, sign me up, okay? Now, the only thing is, this is a YSL. Yes, YSL fragrance. Black opium, I know. Okay, y'all already know what I'm talking about. And so this is the red black opium, all right? Over red. Now, I hesitate about this. Now, this is on the wish list, but I hesitate on this just because there are so many flankers. And yes, I have had success with like Le Parfum, right? From Black Opium. I've had some success with some of their flankers, but is too much? Like, are too many flankers? Like, you're like, girl, do something else. Pick something else. Like, same DNA, and they just added a cherry note. Girl, if you don't get a Black Opium and put a cherry noted fragrance to it and call it over red. So that's why I've been, hesitant of getting this. But y'all let me know. So this has cherry. We have green mandarin in here. We have jasmine. We have orange blossom, some tea. Now, you know how I am about tea. And this is black tea. Okay. But we have Madagascar vanilla, which I love. And we have coffee, which I don't mind. Okay, so we have these notes going on, but I don't know if this is a cherry fragrance that I should get or not. And I think, again, my hesitation is that we have been given so many flankers from YSL Black Opium line. Are you tired? Oh, okay. But we've been given so many. And so I don't know if this is one that I want to like add to cart and check out. So again, comment down below. It sounds good. It sounds like maybe like Black Opium DNA, which I know has like coffee, all that kind of stuff. So Black Opium DNA, but it just sounds like I'm adding cherry note to it and calling it a different fragrance. That's what it sounds like to me, but it might be different. So again, let me know your thoughts below. I want to know all the tea. Okay, moving on. Next up, oh my goodness, a line that I love. Okay, Initio. I know you all know where I'm going with this, right? There is this fragrance called Narcotic Delight that has been on my list for quite a while that has a cherry note, right? It also has vanilla. We have tobacco in this as well, which I don't mind. So this sounds like a deeper cherry. almost a little sexiness, because when I think of Initio, I think of all things sexy. I think of all things sexy, bougie, and fancy, and beautiful, but bold, right? Like, Initio gives me bold. It gives me a bold fragrance, which I love. And so this has been on my wish list for quite a while. But the one thing that I'm like, maybe, because it has this cognac. Okay, so not only tobacco, which is really perfect for this season while we're going into the cold season, but we have a little booziness, and I think I want that. So tell me, do you all have this? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. And it also has the note of rose, which I love a good rose fragrance. So cherry, rose, tobacco, cognac. It just sounds so deep and bold and like bad girl rock. Like, it just sounds like the boss. Okay? It sounds like boss girl all day. She owns her own business. It just sounds like a fragrance that I just need. I need. Do I need it? And that's why I'm coming to my fam, because I don't. I know you saying, sis, just get a sample. Just get a sample. And then you don't have to have us help you. Just get a sample and see if you like it. No. We're in this together. You gonna help me. You gonna help me today. Okay? So, let me know your thoughts. Do you have this fragrance? Do you like it? Don't like it? I'm thinking I want to get it. But it is a pretty penny. So I want to know your thoughts. Comment down below. Let me know. Give me all. Is it worth me getting? Because I'm at this point. Don't say that out loud, because then they're going to talk about you. I'm just saying. I want to blind buy something. I just want to be on the edge, okay? I want to live on the wild side. Forget the samples. I want to live on the wild side real quick, and then I'll go back to sampling and getting my life together. But right now, I'm a little wild child. Okay, moving on. Next up on the list, oh my gosh, BDK Rouge Smoking. Y'all have talked this down to a point where I feel like I know what this smells like. And I feel like I'm not interested. But it's on my wish list. I know. It sounds a little, I know. Whatever. Talk about somebody else. Don't talk about your sis. We fam. Don't talk about me. Too hard. Anyway, I feel like you all have said this smells like a Dr. Pepper, a cherry Dr. Pepper, or a cherry Coke, or a cherry Coca-Cola, or something like that. That's what you all have said. Now, I don't mind smelling like a cherry Coca-Cola. I just don't know what that smells like. I guess I don't mind it, because I don't know it. I have gotten so many, I've done, I've seen reviews and all this. I have gotten so many mixed messages of Rouge Smoking that I don't know. And now I think they even have an intense version of Rouge Smoking or something like that, maybe. And I feel like I don't even want the intense, because y'all talking about smelling like a Coca-Cola, a cherry Coca-Cola at that. An intense cherry Coca-Cola. I don't think I want any parts of that life. But let me know down below, because I feel like some of you all love this fragrance from BDK. And then some of you are like, hell nah. So tell me what I should do. I think that might be at the bottom of my list that I probably should not blind buy. I'm thinking I shouldn't blind buy this one, but I would like your thoughts, because it does have vanilla in this, which, what does that mean? Okay, everything has vanilla in it, I feel like. So really, what does that mean, Amber? I don't know, but let me know. Okay, so BDK Rouge Smoking, is that something that is like, yeah, girl, you need this cherry fragrance? Or should I have been crossed this off my wish list? Should this have been gone? I feel like like I'm talking myself out of this one. Okay, I feel like she might be on the X list. But let me know your comments. I want to know, what do you think about this fragrance? Should I blind buy it or not? It sounds like I already answered my own question, but let me know. I'm going to look at the comments. Next up, oh my goodness, this fragrance is on my wish list, of course, for a reason, right? But it is on the top, but the only thing that's keeping me back from purchasing this is the longevity, okay? And I am talking about Mind Games French Defense. Listen, I know it smells good. I've smelt it multiple times, okay? Multiple times. I love the smell of this beautiful cherry note fragrance. And the only reason why I have not pushed that button, okay, but it's still on the wish list, but I have not pushed that button, is because of the longevity. I feel like if I'm paying $400 to $500, you lasting only 4-6 hours, I feel like I'm being bamboozled just a little bit, okay? Had to get that out. But I know that this is a beautiful fragrance and you all probably have this. Let me know. Let me know if it's worth it. Do you think it's worth it, even with the longevity? Maybe you've experienced it being longer, which is cool. But let me know your thoughts. Like French Defense, I would love to get it, right? From Mind Games, so good, very ozonic type of fragrance, cherry fragrance. And I don't have something like that, right? I would love, I would love this in my wardrobe. I just am scared about the longevity. Yeah, but it's so pretty. Okay, so if you are looking for a cherry fragrance, that's a luxury type of cherry fragrance, maybe look at this, but I would test this out and see if the longevity is longevity-ting for you, because that's the only reason why I'm like, maybe not. I mean, and again, it has like rose in this as well, so the floralness it is such a luxury classic cherry fragrance. Well, not even classic. I feel like it gives a little uniqueness to it. Anyway, it is very good. Yeah, it has amber in it, so it gives a sexiness. So let me know down below. And I feel like men, brothers, male cousins, I feel like you would like French Defense too. I'm just on the fence about that longevity portion, but it is good. And it makes me it's very good, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, oh my goodness, from New Notes, you knew it was coming, okay? That has been on my wish list, Latte de Cherry, okay? Yes, yes, and yes. This cherry almond, beautiful fragrance, nuttiness. Like I have a sample or a test of this fragrance, and it was so good and delicious and gourmand and just, it's everything that I wanted, right? Like I want this so bad. It's on my wish list, and yeah, okay. So compared to everything else that I've mentioned on my wish list that has a cherry note, and you know your sis, you know your niece, or what, however, your girl, your friend, your sis, whatever. You know how I am. Let me know, which one should I get? Because I like a good New Notes, and I like a good New Notes price, okay? So that might need to be my next. But let me know your thoughts, okay? Let me know out of all the fragrances that I've named, and we'll put them up on the screen so you can see them. But out of them, what do you think should be my next purchase? Okay, I'm gonna wait, and I thank you in advance for helping me out. Okay, you like, we got to work. We didn't come to this video to work. Girl, pick your own fragrance. Just sample it and see what you want. No. This time, please help. Well, fam, what cherry fragrances do you love and adore? Love a good cherry fragrance in this season, so I would love to know your thoughts, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, of course, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.